Okay, we'll get someone right up to you. Thank you. Hey, Amy, Mike just called. His check engine light came on. He's right there on the side of the expressway.
Okay, all right, I'll go let Mark know. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey Mark, we have a tow that just came in for one of our customers.
Yeah.
It looks like the check engine light came on, and I'm noticing every week we're getting calls like this. Check engine lights are coming on, engines are running rough, and it's something I'm concerned with about our customers. And I know that these calls can be extremely stressful when it's about family members, loved ones, stranded, whether it's close or far away. And without us actually seeing the vehicle, it's challenging for us to actually diagnose and tell them what they can do to fix it.
That's where VOYO comes in.
VOYOLink is a new service here at Ryder's Automotive that we are providing that allows you to share your car's health data remotely with our shop. VOYO is a simple to use device that connects under your car's dashboard and sends your car's data to us in real time. It is also perfect for helping family members maintain their vehicles, from elderly relatives to college students living away from home. While you'll have access to their safety alerts, rest assured this personal information is not shared with the shop. VOYO's advanced diagnostics proactively scan for issues, often alerting you before the check engine light comes on. You can receive real-time alerts via text, email, or directly in the VOYO app. Plus, it offers over a dozen safety alerts, such as reminders if you've left your car with the engine running or the doors open. Using the VOYO app, you can access detailed information about your car, including health alerts, trip data, and fuel consumption. The app can also monitor a family network of vehicles, all managed by a single account supervisor, like a parent. Connecting your car to Ryder's Automotive is simple and easy. Once you purchase the VOYO device, visit VOYOLink.com and log in with your VOYO account information. Under Find Shops, search for Ryder's Automotive and click Link. Ryder's Automotive will then get updates for scheduled services or malfunctions, allowing us to offer remote support and provide repair estimates even before you visit us. Stop by today and get in the know with Ryder's Auto and purchase a VOYO device. We can help you with setting up your account, linking it directly to us. We are conveniently located at 10057 Dixie Highway in Florence, Kentucky, directly across from Carter Lumber. This is just another example of how we make sure you are in the know with Ryder's Auto.